Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. This is Jeb's chainsaw, finished up, ready to go, rebuilt from the ground up. And I'll start up and let you listen to that. Jeb, there you go, and I want you to look real close here. This has got a chisel bit chain, and I'll show you that here. It's a square tooth chain, and it is ground chisel bit. You'll never find these anywhere. The chainsaw guy has them, but if you'd like one of these for some very fast cutting, and you are a trained arborist, I will sell you one. But take a look at that inside there. You can see that that is got the square cut on it. For some very fast cutting. We'll go outside and make a test cut with it. If you have any questions on that rebuild, or you'd like yours rebuilt, or you'd like to get your hands on some of that very hard to get chisel ground chisel chain for these saws, give the chainsaw guy a call.